Extra long hair clipper guards. I recently bought these extra long hair clipper guards to help me trim the top of my hair. If you've ever struggled to get that perfect length on top with your wall clippers, this might be the solution. I find that when cutting my own hair, I struggle cutting the top with scissors. So I did a bit of research and found that there are extra long clipper guard lengths that can be used to cut your hair quicker and easier, leaving it a more even length. The longest length of a standard hair clipper is a number 8, which is 1 inch or 25mm. This is too short for my style on top, so these extra long guards are very useful for me. I bought this pack from Amazon and this is the box they came in. Here's the full set of 6 I bought. You can see that they're much longer than standard guards. They're made of plastic or polycarbonate, which is a strong, tough and durable plastic, and have a metal clip attachment which makes them less likely to break while attaching them to the clipper. Plastic clips can snap off over time. As I mentioned, you get 6 clipper guards with the following lengths. I have a wall super taper clipper and these guards fit easily onto them. They're designed to fit wall clippers, but let's see how well they actually attach. Here's my wall clipper. I'm using the wall super taper clipper. Let's attach one of these guards onto the clipper and see how easy it is. It's a snug fit, but you'll want to make sure it clicks in properly. I notice that the plastic is very strong and the combs of the guard do not bend or flex, which makes you feel confident using them. So here's what I liked. They are very well made and very sturdy when attached to the clipper. They fit very securely to my wall clippers. The plastic is very durable and does not flex when being used, which is reassuring. Also, they are very accurate in their measurements and the price is very affordable. Be aware that they are quite bulky, but they are effective. Each clipper guard is clearly coded, showing the guard number and the cutting length in both metric and imperial measurements. For me, the number 20 guard hardly cut any hair off, and with the number 18 guard, I could feel and hear the hair being cut, but the length was not that different. I only started to notice a change after I used the number 16 guard. After trying all the guards, I think the number 12 guard and the number 10 guard are the best lengths. Tips for use with the longer guards. It's best to help feed the longer hair on top into the clipper guard to assist in cutting, otherwise it takes a bit longer and it feels you are not cutting much off. Also, I feel the best approach is to use a combination of the long clipper guard to cut most of the length off first, and then use the clipper over comb technique or scissors for the final touches to complete. Still, I think the process is a lot easier and quicker with these longer guards. Conclusion. Overall, I'm impressed with the quality and feel of this product. If you are looking to increase the cutting range of the hair clippers, then these clipper guards are worth checking out. So if you want some additional length on top when trimming your own hair, try these extra long hair clipper guards to make the task easier and quicker. Bye for now.